Hello there and welcome to Yoga Poses, the foundations of Yoga Asana with Yoga with Andrea. And today we're going to be practicing Vyaghrasana or tiger pose. So Vyaghrasana is a Sanskrit word when translated into English means tiger pose. This pose resembles stretching the body like a tiger when it wakes up from sleep. By stretching and contracting the spine in this posture, the pose loosens the spine, the hips and the leg joints, toning the spinal nerves. When you practice Vyaghrasana, you will massage your lower muscles and the organs responsible for digestion and elimination and strengthen the muscles in these areas. This asana is one to avoid if you have severe sciatica, hiatus hernia, a very weak back, slipped discs or serious problems with wrists or knee joints. So, how to practice Vyaghrasana? Begin by bringing yourself to a tabletop position with the knees below the hips and the shoulders over the wrists. Inhale, the right knee to the forehead, rounding the spine. As you exhale, reach the right foot up to the sky, looking up. Exhale the knee, back to table pose. Practice a few cycles on the same leg, up to 5 times initially, increasing this amount gradually, placing any padding, cushions, blankets underneath the knees if there's any knee soreness at all. To come out of this pose, return to a tabletop position and then repeat on the other side. Thank you for practicing Vyaghrasana with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye for now. Namaste.